Okay, with a ballistic pendulum, it's kind of touchy, so you don't really want to mess around with the height or anything, or else it won't actually go, the ball won't actually go into the catch. So it's pretty delicate. So it works pretty well on the first notch if you pull it back. Okay. And it goes up to, should go up to about 17-18 degrees from the first notch. And if you, there are 3 notches. If you go to the second or third, it's going to go beyond the 25 degrees that is labeled on here. So you really can't do any quantitative analysis with the second or third notches. You see, sometimes it doesn't always catch